Hello, sir. Yes, so the stage is yours.
Okay, thanks. First of all, thanks a lot, for giving us the opportunity to speak in this forum, right? So myself, Anshub, and I'm representing Emphatech. And obviously, thanks a lot to all of you and congratulations to all of you for, participating in this event and making it more exciting. I'm sure that you all are enjoying it, and then every bit of it, right? Um, Before I start speaking about this particular app Dosto, I just wanted to give a small background, how it happened and when it happened, what is a conceptualization of the idea that came in. Now, in recent year, you must have seen businesses has adopted various kind of technologies, in order to transform their business, in order to bring in more efficiency. And it's not only businesses, have only adopted to different technologies. It is individuals, we as individuals also adopted to many technologies for the ease of our life. So we are into different kind of apps in communication. In terms of communication, in terms of payment, in terms of bookings. But with this increase of the reliance of technology and dependency over the technology, there has been a grown fear, or there has been a sense of fear that has also developed. Is my data is my data is in good hands or not? Is it used for some other purpose or not, right? Is there any intrusion to my privacy or not? So those are the sense of fears and apprehensions also have been developed, with the increased utilization of this technology. And that's where that was the thinking where we started to find out a solution to it, and then came up with this particular app, which is a secured messaging platform, which we call it Dosto. The end-to-end of this messaging platform is end-to-end is encrypted. Obviously, to talk about Dosto, it's a very simple, straightforward, yet robust application or a robust messaging platform. You can, obviously chat within the groups, with your relatives, friends, peers, colleagues. You can exchange important information. You can exchange important document within business, not only within business, outside business. Of course, they need to, adapt to this particular platform. And also you can share different emotions as well, right? Having said that, our team has worked over past years. They have given a hard work to reach to the stage where we are currently. Obviously, this is not the last stage. We are going to move forward with it, right? And we are going to move forward with all of you. So feel free to share your views, your feedback. Definitely, we have a team in place who would all look after your feedback, views, and then they are going to work on it and then help us to make this particular app a better one. And obviously, it's entirely an Indian app, and I'm very sure that it is one of the best alternative that we have, to the Western built app as of today. And as I've said earlier, being Indian, it's just also in line to one of the nation's key agenda, vocal for local. So it's just totally an Indian app, right? And just to add a bit, about Emphatech, about ourselves, we are a Pune-based IT solutions company, and we are working across India, across Middle East, Africa, South Africa. On the industry side, we are mostly working with government and defense, as well as large banking financial institutions. I would encourage all of you to visit our site emphatic.com, which will help you to understand, gain knowledge, about the different kind of work that we are doing across the industry, not only within India but outside of India as well. And hope you will find it very interesting. Right? And thanks a lot for all your support. I think you have already started using it, this particular application, Dosto. Help us with your reviews and feedback. Okay. And then lastly, I wish you all the best to all of you for your future endeavors. Right. Arvind, would you like to add anything if you have joined the call?
Yes. Thanks, Anshuman. As Anshuman, he has covered all the important points. The 2 points which I would like to highlight is about, one is about the data privacy. So whatever the data is shared on this messaging platform is completely secured, and it's only available for the intended participants. Okay. And second thing is about responsiveness. So we are very closely monitoring the feedbacks or reviews given by our users and the suggestions by our users. And with every new version, we try to accommodate as much as suggestions given by our users. So this app is being built based on your needs rather than using any other, based on any other social platform. And thank you all for
thank you
giving such a response and downloading this app. We expect the same support from you for spreading this app in your respective communities.
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for.
Can I give?
Sorry.
Yeah. So Prasad is also from Emphatic. Prasad, would you like to add anything? Prasad started.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Please, nothing of the app, but it just feels so refreshing. I am 25 years back. I'm just realizing how old I have gone. Looking at all of you guys, and I'm just recollecting my engineering days. Festival events at various colleges in Mumbai when we used to attend the IITs and traveling to New Bombay by local train and then coming back to Andheri and attending these festivals. And I was just listening to that rapping session before this, and just makes you feel how time has changed in terms of the virtual festivals and the events. So I think great that you guys have managed to do that. Just makes me feel how old we have gone in all this, and how time has changed. But it's nice to see you all, and just makes us refreshed as well. That it's such a great event to be part of, and makes us happy that the young generation is into a different way of doing things and making it happen.
Thank you so much, sir. We're proud that we can bring some nostalgia back to your life. And we're also proud to have you as a sponsor. I think the chat is filled with people saying the same.